Get ready for 50 rapid-fire questions covering history, polity, geography, economy, and more. Let's begin. 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. 2. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1757. 3. Who introduced the permanent settlement system? Lord Cornwallis. 4. What was the objective of the non-cooperation movement? Achieve Swaraj or self-rule. 5. What was the Swadeshi movement? Boycott of foreign goods and promotion of Indian goods. 6. When was the Quit India movement launched? 1942. 7. Name the Viceroy during the Partition of Bengal. Lord Curzon. 8. What is the importance of the Dandi March? Civil disobedience against the salt tax. 9. Who was the first woman governor of independent India? Sarojini Naidu. 10. What does the term Ryotwari refer to? A land revenue system introduced by the British. 11. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 12. What is the preamble? The introduction to the Constitution stating its objectives. 13. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? 6. 14. What is Article 32 known for? Right to constitutional remedies. 15. What does Article 21 guarantee? Right to life and personal liberty. 16. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? 250. Max capacity. 17. What is the tenure of the Lok Sabha? 5 years. 18. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India? 25 years, if a member of the Lok Sabha. 19. Who appoints the governor of a state? The President of India. 20. What does the term quorum mean in parliamentary proceedings? Minimum number of members required to conduct proceedings. Which is the largest river in India by volume? The Brahmaputra. What is the Tropic of Cancer? An imaginary line at 23.5 degrees north latitude. Name the largest desert in India. The Thar Desert. What is the highest peak in India? Kangchenjunga, standing at 8,586 meters. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Where is the Silent Valley National Park located? Kerala. What is a strait? A narrow body of water connecting two larger bodies of water. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? The Kosi River. Name the longest dam in India. Hirakud Dam. What is the significance of the Sundarbans? It is the largest mangrove forest and home to the Bengal tiger. What is GDP? Gross domestic product, the total value of goods and services produced in a country. Define fiscal deficit, the shortfall in a government's income compared to its expenditure. What is inflation? The rise in the general level of prices. What is the GST full form? Goods and Services Tax. When was the Planning Commission replaced by NITI Aayog? In 2015. What is a direct tax? A tax levied directly on income, like income tax. Name the current repo rate. Leave blank to insert updated value. What is FDI? Foreign direct investment. Name the first Indian bank established in India. Bank of Hindustan, established in 1770. What is the Green Revolution? An initiative to increase agricultural production in India. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. Who is the current Chief Justice of India? Leave blank to insert updated value. Name the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu. Where is the headquarters of the UN? New York, USA. Which country recently landed on the moon's south pole? India with Chandrayaan 3. What is the theme of the latest UN Climate Summit? Leave blank to insert updated value. Name the longest railway platform in India. Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. What is the rank of India in terms of area? 7th largest. Who is the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. Liked this video? Subscribe for more rapid-fire sessions and UPSC tips.